Hello students, good morning. In AI Unit 3 Knowledge Representation. In this Unit 3 previous video lecture, I will start the topic computable functions and predicates. In this topic, I will explain the basic introduction and then we can take some simple facts and then predicate the results for some particular questions answer. Okay, now today I will start the next topic, resolution. In this resolution, first we learn the definition of resolution and then different algorithms which are used for conversion to clause form. Okay, so I will start with the resolution definition. Resolution is a procedure which gains its efficiency from the fact that it operates on statements that have been converted to a very convenient standard form. It is one procedure. In algorithm, we can also perform some procedure. Okay, the step-by-step representation is known as algorithm, and resolution is the procedure. Which procedure? Here we can take some simple facts and then convert that simple facts into some particular functions. Okay, and then we can use that statements and convert that statements into some standard form. This process is known as resolution. Okay, now resolution procedure proof by refutation. It is the proof. In maths you can learn the proof theory. Okay, so here resolution is proof of refutation procedure. Okay, in other words we can say that to prove a statement means given statement is right or wrong. Okay, if the statement is right, then we can get some particular result, and if the given statement is wrong, then our result is different. So here we can find out given statement is true or false. Then resolution attempts to show that the negation of the statement procedure, a contradiction with the known statement, means given statement is true, but we can't satisfy that statement, means given statement is wrong as we feel. So we can find out all possibilities for the statement validation. Okay, and then we can find out the given statement is right or wrong. So it is the process of resolution. Okay, and the resolution procedure is a simple iterative process, means it is the simple procedure which procedure at each step two classes called the parents classes and compare result. If we can start the resolution with one process, okay, then two possibilities, statement is true or false. Okay, so we can check both conditions. Okay, then we can check the parents. Then suppose that there are two classes in the system. In our atmosphere system, we can consider two seasons, winter or summer. So we know that two seasons are not possible at same time. Okay, so we can say that not winter or cold, means the room temperature is like normal, not very hot or not very cold. So we can take as a not winter or cold procedure. Okay. Now we observe that precisely one of winter and not winter will be true at any point. We know that one season is winter. Okay. So at the same time summer is not possible. Okay. So we can take as winter as one time and not winter at any second point. Okay. Means if winter is true then cold must be true to guarantee the truth of the second clause. We know that the season is winter. Okay, then our given statement is true. And in the second part, if not winter is true, then summer must be true. Okay. Winter is not present. So what the next is summer. Okay. So we can say that not winter means summer in first clause. Okay. Thus we see that from these two clauses we can deduce summer or cold. So here we can write the statement like this: summer or cold. We can't write winter or cold. Okay, but we can write summer or cold. Now this is the deduction that the resolution procedure will make. Okay, and it is the deduction. Deduction means we can reduce the given procedure. We can sort the process. Okay, and find out the particular result of that particular process. Now resolution operates by taking two classes that each contains the same literal. In this example, winter. In example we can take as winter or summer, not winter or cold. Okay, but we can't write like this: winter or cold, because these both are same. So here we can write winter or summer and not winter or cold. Okay, this is the symbol for or. Now the literal must occur in positive form in one clause and in negative form in the other. The resolvent is obtained by combining all of the literals of the two parent clauses except the ones that cancel. In the hierarchical diagram we can know that first is the root node, then its parents are present, then from the parents the childs are present. So if the parents is right then the child is right, or we can say that if the parents blood group is O positive then its child's blood group is also O positive. Both parents we can consider. Okay, means if the parents are true or fair then its childs are also true. Now we can take the example for two classes. Like here we can consider the procedure and then contradiction has been found. Okay, here the example is given: winter and not winter will produce the empty clause. Means we can say that current season is monsoon. So it is not winter. Okay. But here we can write winter, not winter, summer, not summer, monsoon, not monsoon. So if one is true, then other is false. Okay. Here only two classes are given, so our process is empty because our current season is monsoon. Okay. So this is the basic introduction about resolution, its definition, its example is completed. Now I start the sub-part or subtopic of the resolution, conversion to class form. Okay. How we can convert the class form into resolution? Okay. So first we can know the definition of resolution, then we can apply the resolution. We need to reduce a set of WFFS, means well formed formulas, to a set of classes where a classes is defined to be a WFF well formed formula in conjunctive normal form but with no instance of the connector A. Conjunctive means OR operation. Okay. So OR operation is used in well formed formula, and we can find out the different set of classes, and then we can reduce the procedure. Okay. Next is we can do this by first converting each well formed formula into conjunctive normal form and then breaking apart each such expression into classes, one for each conjunction. Here we can convert the well formed formula into conjunctive form, means OR operation are used, means if the one statement is true, then next statement is false. Okay. At the same time, both statements are not true. This is the condition for conjunction form or OR operation. Okay. Now we can do by first converting the WFF formula, and then we can break the expression into different classes. Okay. And then we can find out the each conjunction and its meaning. Okay. Now all the conjuncts will be considered to be conjoined together as the proof procedure operates. Now we can use the proof procedure, means in maths you can learn the proof theory. So here we can find out the given statement is true or false. So here we can use the process of proof. If one sentence is true, then the next sentence is false. So here we can convert the well formed formula into class form, and we can perform the following sequence of steps. Sequence of steps are also known as algorithm. So here we can use the algorithm for the conversion to class form. Okay. Here the different algorithms are given. Convert to class form, then algorithm for propositional resolution, the unification algorithm. Okay. Then algorithm for resolution. Resolution is predicate logic. Okay. All algorithms are given, and we can find out the results for the proper algorithm. Okay. Now today I will start the resolution topic. First, I will explain the resolution definition. Then we can take one sentence or we can take one procedure and divide into two different clauses and find out the given statement is true or false. Then conversion to class form basic introduction is completed. Now in the next lecture I will start the algorithms. Okay. Thank you.